So in this case, we can push the system. We're going to push the system to the front. Because it's windy, we're going to watch for the tarp so it doesn't get pinched. So as you're walking, you can just simply move the tarp out of the way. Now here's the trick. If you want to leave your system at the front, you can simply use this here and put it under the wheel. It's very easy and it will stop your system wherever you need to stop. You don't need any fancy locks because they get knocked off with the loads or anything. So they don't stay for long. So this is and it's unlocked. Now we can pull the system to the back. Now while you're at the back, you can either push the system or you can pull the system. Now there's only one difference when you do that. So when you push the system, your tarp's gonna start pleating right away. But say if you have like a higher load and you want to clear it, so it's easier if you pull the system. So just watch the tarp as I pull the system while standing here from the front. So you just simply like grab the tarp and start pulling.